You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this expression from Japanese correctly once and for all. It literally means policy management, a 7-step process anyhow. Let's get to the pronunciation, Japanese pronunciation. Hoshin Kanri. Hoshin Kanri. That's how it's pronounced in Japanese. If you cannot pronounce Japanese perfectly, you can simply say in English pronunciation, how to pronounce Hoshin Kanri. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.